Good morning. Today I want to share with you some of the important provisions of Constitution. You know one thing, the Constitution was adopted uh, by Constitution Assembly and that was brought into force only 26th uh, January 1950, but several articles were brought into force on 26th November 1949 itself. But for these articles implementation earlier, the existence of sovereignty may not survive. For that, Article 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 367, 379 and 394 came into force from 26th November 1949 itself. The rest of the articles brought into force on 26th November 1950. That is most important. Then the Article 12 deals with authority. I have already stated. Section 303 providing for mandatory death sentence where a prisoner under sentence of imprisonment for life commits murder, violative of Article 14 and 21. Mithu vs. State of Punjab, AR 1983 SC 473. That is most important judgment. Then several judgments are there that we will discuss. But for examination purpose, I will run fast. See, the first Constitution, the second one you have to understand Indian Penal Code. So offence has been defined under Indian Penal Code. But so far CRPC is concerned, the offence was defined under the CRPC code was anything punishable under code. So what is the punishment, what all are the act or omission or commission punishable under Indian Penal Code is an offence under CRPC. That is most important. Thereafter CPC, Civil Procedure Code, Common Law Process. Then question of substantial law. What is substantial law? Substantial law will have sanction. Procedure law, how to bring the substantial law for relief. Sanction means either relief or punishment. That is sanction. Then question arises, what all are the criminal law, substantial law, Indian Penal Code and other several criminal major acts. You have to take bare acts of criminal major acts, Indian Penal Code, CRPC, Indian Evidence Act. Indian Evidence Act is common for all. Then that is being liquidated slowly because of social engineering process. Then what happens? Civil Procedure Code procedure, substantial law, basic substantial law is law of contract. So law of contract has been later on separated. Partnership Act, Companies Act, Carriers Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, like that. Then these all acts all are substantial. That apart, law of limitation, law of General Classes Act plays pivotal role, regulating procedure and law of interpretation. And the Indian Succession Act also plays pivotal role for construction of the document and will, etc. Then Hindu Succession Act, Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Maintenance and Adoption Act. Then recently Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act. So many substantial acts are there. So all these things will be available, criminal minor acts, and so far civil is concerned, you have to keep on your table City Civil Code manual. Therefore, you can appear examination by referring the barracks. I hope you understand. Today I restrict this to this extent. Tomorrow I will be more prepared because of heavy cold. The mind remain too cool to understand. That is of age factor. Best wishes.